We know that sweet potato is a healthy choice that we can add to our grocery list. I thought of making a recipe to introduce sweet potatoes to my picky children. And if you have a picky child, one way to introduce them to this very healthy food is to incorporate in their favorite meatloaf. This recipe is a winner for the whole family. Promise! Today, I'm going to show you how to make my delicious sweet potato meatloaf. Let's start with our ingredients. We have sweet potato crackers, green onion, Italian parsley, dill, onion dried or fresh, ground beef, barbecue sauce, instant oatmeal, and salt and pepper. First, peel your sweet potato and dice them. Then boil them for about 20 minutes or until tender enough to mash. Next, crush the sweet potato crackers, then set aside. Cut your green onions, parsley, and dill. Chop the sweet onions. Add the sweet onions to the ground beef. Next, add your green onions, parsley, and dill. Add barbecue sauce and oatmeal. Season with salt and pepper. Then add the ground sweet potato crackers. Lastly, add the sweet potato and mash it in the meat. However, you can mash this in advance. Then mix your ingredients well. After mixing all your ingredients, put it in your loaf pan. Bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then enjoy your healthy, yummy sweet potato meatloaf. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope that you will try this recipe. And if you have any recipes that you would like me to make, or you have some ideas, go ahead and share them. I'd be happy to make them for you. Thanks for watching.